This is a brand new 2013 BMW 528. This car has an 8-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a rear-view camera, comfort access, a heated steering wheel with audio controls, a sunroof, heated seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, a turbocharger, a limited slip differential, X-Drive, cornering lights, adaptive brake lights, hill descent control, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and automatic collision notification. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, BMW individual composition, front and rear floor mats, 12-volt power outlets, rear curtain airbags, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.